Alert tip of the day: take action today. Open your credit report, face the numbers, and take control of your financial story. Rebuilding credit and getting out from debt isn't just about fixing your past. It's about creating a stronger, wealth-focused future. Every call you make to negotiate a payment, every extra dollar you apply toward a balance, and every time you choose progress over procrastination, you're building momentum toward financial freedom. The path may feel uphill, but remember, confidence grows with every action, and consistency creates results.